An, Vietnam, the lanterns are just coming on, so you can see all the lanterns all the way down, and it's just about perfect time to start filming. Even more lanterns up that way as well. So we're going to put this up on the map, and then we're gonna walk around and kind of see what it looks like in this little bit of rainy evening. So stay tuned for that. Up on the map. Okay, we are in Hoi An, Vietnam. You can see it up on the map. You can see the country. Let's zoom right into Hoi An, and we're basically right in this little tourist area right here, walking around. So, okay, let's get it to you as if you're there yourself. So you got all the beautiful lanterns. So we're gonna go up just a tiny little bit, just to get some context. It's a temple right here. A lot of Chinese influences in Hoi An. So you can see some Chinese characters, Chinese and Vietnamese. We're going to be going across the river in a few minutes. So we'll just capture the lighting. Oh. There's lots of people taking these tour groups on these little things. Let's go down. So we're going to go across the river, capture the lighting in the river with the lanterns. Sorry, a little repetitive, but so you can rent bikes, you can walk it, take those tuk-tuks. All the lanterns just came up. So this is, I think this is the time of evening. I think it says between 6 to 10 p.m. every evening. It's about 5 p.m. now, but it looks like a lot of the businesses anyways have lanterns, and there might be more coming up later. But filming wise, this is definitely the best time to film. So they're renting out all of those. Okay, let me see. Let's go take a look over here. So yeah, you can actually, I got near these boats earlier and they were asking me if I want to go on a little ride down the river. So they got their lanterns ready as well. Looks like some people are getting on them over there. We're gonna walk down this way in a few minutes. Okay, let's try to go across. As an aside, I was here 25 years ago, the year 2000, and it's a lot different. The tourist element was definitely here. Some of the buildings were definitely here, but the amount of crowds is much different. So all the lighting is on. Kind of crowded to even walk through that right now. So all those lanterns are coming up. So this whole thing should be lit up. So we were kind of exploring in that one. I have my past videos, I'll connect them behind me at the end of this video. You can see some of those older ones if you came in now. Hoi An. We're just trying to get through here. Okay, so now we're on this side. Have that. Okay. I hear bells. Okay. There we go. So now we're kind of in this little space next to the river. You can see all the riverfront stuff. Even some birds coming up. Let's go around, let's check it all out a little bit. Massage, mini mart. I think you're gonna have some performances and different shows as well. So that was the bridge that we just did, and yeah, we'll see. I hear some music that could affect my video a little bit. Let's just kind of, maybe we'll walk. Okay. Oh, it looks like this might be kind of a nice street right there. I don't know, the camera looked better when it was Let's go over by those lanterns, I guess. We got a night market here. There we go. So these are kind of up everywhere, actually. Let's see. Okay, I'm just kind of exploring randomly in here. For the first time I came to Vietnam, I saw all of the sellers. So I'd walk around with their. Let's kind of see what these are. Hello. If you get near anything, people can be very, very anxious to sell things. Poison Cafe. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just walk all the way down to the other riverfront, I guess. Banana pancakes, I think. It's quite a lot of tourists here. Put those. Sugar cane, mangoes, Melmstein. Take a look at some of these shirts over here. Kim Jong-un. That guy. Okay, let me see. Let's get into it. Let's see how to manage this. So the water would be all the way down that way. It is a pretty crowded town. A lot of tourism, a lot of tourists. Some writing, Korean writing up there. Kaabang. Okay, so I guess we'll just keep on walking down. 안녕하세요, kebab. It's kebab. Here, lots of Korean, lots of hellos in Korean. Okay. Okay. I don't know what you think. I think this video isn't that interesting. I think the beauty of Hoi An is the they want me to take a photo. They were gonna take a photo for me and then I give them money. So I've seen that kind of over and over. I think the beauty of Hoi An are these buildings, but actually, to be honest, I see these buildings everywhere in Vietnam. But the streets are nice and narrow here. There's definitely a smaller village. It's Chinese origin. The Hoi An is this country through the Chinese. Hello, how are you? Thank you. So yeah, a lot of people come up here. Actually, I was in Vietnam. I mentioned some of the other videos 25 years ago. And it's changed a lot, but in this town, it's kind of reminds me of what it was like 25 years ago, where lots of people come up to you. The big difference is that 25 years ago, there wasn't anywhere near as many tourists as there is now. So back then, they would follow you for 15 minutes or so, keep trying to make a sale. But here, there's just so many tourists, so many foreigners, so many different languages. So now they just approach you for a very short period of time. The other big difference too is all of these clothes are the same. So in all the shops are exactly the same. I think years ago there was lots of tailors, so you could buy like silk and have like tailors that would make stuff for you. You'd make a request. Those days seem to be gone. Here's one. But this used to be like tons and tons of these. Now there's very few. It's one of the big observations I've made and noticed. And we're gonna go all the way to this waterfront and then we're gonna end the video. Tattoos. Okay, so we're gonna come out to an end and we'll see what's out here. Huh. So a bunch of newer apartments, housing out there. That's kind of crazy that I walked around here 25 years ago. Some things are similar and some things are completely different. I think I remember 25 years ago, I'll end my video in a minute, but 25 years ago, there wasn't anywhere near as many tourists, for one, not even close. And these buildings weren't so painted well. Like there was, I think there's a lot more of them now, but the traditional historic ones were a lot more moldy. And I remember they were always saying it's because of the rain, so it's kind of like a moss on them. I don't really see that anymore. I have to search for them now. Now most of them are painted this bright yellow. Anyways, that's it.